Welcome back to the Cars of Queens YouTube channel. This windy nor'easter is not going to stop us from making some content. I decided to do a little bit of Sunday car spotting today, and I came across this. This is very interesting. It's very ubiquitous. You guys know what this is. I don't really have to say much, but this is an Aero taxi. It's a legitimate New York City taxi, factory yellow, P72 Crown Victoria, and it's got the world famous KGT cards, as you guys can see right here. What's very interesting is that I was actually trying to hunt down this car. My brother came across it one day in Hollis, and then later he found it again in Woodside, and he went up to the owner, and the owner mentioned that this car was in storage in East New York for 10 whole years until he came back out and restoring it, bringing it back to life. And as you guys can see, it's pretty much back to life. It's in fantastic, gorgeous shape for a 1997 Crown Victoria taxi cab. The body's completely straight. Beautiful car. Like he said that he would never ever sell it. And it's got the silver bumpers, which is really cool. Up until 2003 or 4-ish, I remember a lot of these taxis had silver bumpers, and afterwards they pretty much all didn't. I mean, the Transits today, they still have black bumpers, but we could do a quick walk around. And the guy that had this in East New York, he bought it from the original owner that had it in storage for 10 years. He said, I was never ever going to sell it, and now I found it at a taxi shop, so that, presumably has purchased it. So it's got some older style New York City taxi decals, as you would associate with a car of this vintage. We're going to do like a quick walk around over here. This is where the roof light obviously would have went. Some wiring still sticking out. Very cool. And what makes the P72 package really interesting is that you get this blue on blue interior, which you guys can see right here. Everything's vinyl, so even the front is vinyl, the back is vinyl. Very rare. You almost never see something like this anymore. There's only a handful of these that I even know to be in existence, and all of them are in Brooklyn, and nobody wants to sell it. I've left notes on the 2 or 3 that I do know that are still existing. So going around to the back, completely original, which is mind-boggling. What's strange is it doesn't have the back KGT. It would be really nice if it had the back KGT. One thing I've always wanted in general is an Aero Crown Vic, but it's almost next to impossible to find either an NYC or a New York City taxi one. This one's missing the Crown Victoria badging that would go right here. But other than that, it's in really nice shape. And like I said, it's got the silver bumper. I would love to have a taxi with the silver bumpers. I think it's really just nostalgic, kind of a time that's gone. So entirety of the car. Very cool. And only thing it's missing is the chrome hubcap stuff there. So as you guys can see, the body's really nice shape. This is as clean as it gets. To think that this car is so old that it looks like they did a bad job bondoing the medallion hole, which is right over here. So this is just like Bondo. And obviously it wouldn't be a Crown Victoria taxi without the KGT. No, this is not an NYPD KGT. Back in the day, this was the KGTs that they had on the taxis. So really cool. Let's zoom into that KGT. Let's take a quick look at it. It's in really nice shape. It's body colored. Usually the KGTs would be a paint match to the car. So this one's silver, and then if not, they were usually black. On the police one, sometimes it's black and white. Most of the time it's black. But on some blue police cars, I've even seen the KGT be, blue. So really cool car. I would love to get one of these, and just seeing one of these in person, the way it's supposed to be set up makes me really want to go out and find them. So I'm going to be in Brooklyn. I'm going to be harassing a few Aero owners and trying to see if they can sell me their car once they're tired of it. God forbid something breaks on it. I always tell them, I should be the first guy you call. So, all right, guys. So we've just concluded the part with the Aero. We're continuing the car spotting. Some of you guys may have remembered this car. I actually posted it not too long ago. I want to say like a year ago. This is a white Lincoln Town Car Cartier, and it's for sale. So we're gonna try and get it right now. And I'm gonna call the number. I'm not gonna show the guy's number, obviously, but I'm gonna try and get it. It's got a buck 54 clicks on the clock. but a white Cartier is pretty rare. If you guys want to just take a quick look, it's a little bit rough, and it's a little bit rough. All right, there's no doubting that, but we're gonna see how. Hello. Hey, how you doing, boss? I'm calling about the Lincoln Town car.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was wondering, how much are you looking to get for this vehicle?
How much one?
How much are you looking to get? Like, what's your asking price?
Oh, about $2,000.
$2,000. Okay. Are you here right now? I'm at the car. I'm looking at it.
I'm in my house now. If you want to meet you, I'm gonna come out. Okay.
Yeah. I'm at the car. If you want to come on out.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay. Bye bye.
I give you 1,500.
Look, man, I'm at 700. You let me know, okay, boss?
Okay, thank you.
You have my number. Just call me. If anything. You call me before you leave the car.
That's the phone.
No, come on. This is a
Okay.
$700 car. You let me know, boss, okay? I call you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little video on this Arrow New York City Taxi Package Ford Crown Victoria. If you guys did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.